here at Leica Frankfurt, and we're here to unbox and receive the new Q2 reporter. And this is Frank.
Hi, my name is Frank. I'm very happy to have Melvin here today. We're gonna unwrap this Q2 reporter, the one ever sold here in the store.
The first one in Leica Frankfurt.
In Leica Frankfurt. Let's continue.
Alright. Oh man, this is the one. And they have a famous photographer here today.
Wow.
Who's going to do a launch on the Q.
Yes, and this gentleman we have upstairs, he is a reporter, photographer, and he is also one of the best that you can have in business. And actually this camera should be his second camera. It is as well Q2. Yeah. So let's unlock this.
Oh.
Let's see the green.
Go ahead.
Whoa. Ultimate green Leica Q2 reporter. Check it out, it's a matte finish. It's got no colors. Oh, it feels excellent. I mean, it's got a nice matte feel to it.
It's scratch resistant.
It's the perfect camera to go with my M10P. Maybe I should buy an M10P reporter here.
Not anymore.
No more.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
let's start.
Let's start from here. All right.